OKFM 101.7.
Lawyer Kwame Adofo, a private legal practitioner. Now you don't know to and come. Cancel me watch it.
Hello.
Good morning, oh council.
Morning.
Now come to say council.
Me hoye pa na muswe. Hello.
And I know where the law a council my bound chair. And I know. Yenya Kasia Diana special prosecutor was sabe ye press conference view. Now what the name attitude. And now Jumedia be all ye be a person we are boom until we are not Wababa Chim. And I know Ada SML what they a whole some betuja. Na na Bakubi Yamina Kakra. Idea be a border on a audit. Oh, baby, and what boni pebidi, OSP. What Juma? Be a far audit or no, nay, and now say, one would nipa individual be said, Koye. Nebasa, ebe di court to a court no be ya tum say nipa no a ebi ai o kan ase won koy we BCD no wonye certified auditor na bibisa sa de no net o say
Kwame ene de online emu odin kakra
ye
enti ensem na keka re bi o ha ma se na tiri na be de o tiri na
meteo pa metonka
okay em say america say de mt ye no ye correct meti say o say no yeah auditor or something.
Aha, because
it do quarter.
Sir, or no what to be forensic audit. Aha, sir, per the a year establishing no one casa what to be audit and your audit fair because and some of the kind na ye KPMG for the year or my year and GRA for audit or my year. And now no eba abetu tumu tu akase the KPMG international audit firm ni ye no intwem per the actor establishing no was said to me no say bi abema individual bi within his office aye wo bra bi anipa no kwa onye auditor aye.
Well, no, Kwame, the answer is no. There will be a fellow expert. Now, you can't be an expert. The person must profess a skill or specialization in the area. Now, lawyer near accountant, you will not meet the definition of expert. And the answer is no. Now, even in audit, exit conference, and it says they are who is our own auditor. Omone work it for no, a better nothing. The very audit no. Query A B C D E F respond. Now on the basis of query and your response. How much on the report? Now, with the press conference, now I was surprised because on making certain definitive pronouncements there about SML and other people, some people say he was not qualified as an expert to make that definitive conclusion. Wasn't even the recruitment of SML was not even a necessary. On what basis is he saying that? Are you saying that as an ordinary lawyer, we are qualified enough to be teacher when you are not an auditor, you are not an accountant? On what basis are you saying that? the previous income and ever vis-a-vis income about after they were engaged to see whether there was an appreciation of the income or a loss. Because if there was an appreciation, how can it say it was not necessary? Let's say before SML came in, Ghana was making 20 cedis. After SML came, Ghana now makes 100 cedis. Can you say it was not necessary for SML to come in? Kwame, are you following my logic? So on what basis is he saying that it was not necessary? See, this is where you start talking about the evidence. You start discussing the evidence. Donald Kwame, he went as far as discussing the evidence.
Evidence I want to discuss.
Yes, was it email communication via a copy can operator and so on. Now, why would the prosecutor come to the public and discuss the evidence? Why? As a meeting or one thing.
Papa, send me a prosecutor. Nama gada and near maybe me fan say a yemi evidence. A untested evidence. And no, anytime the Bible thing, I shouldn't come to town to discuss it.
The answer is no, because it's not tested. Untested. There we anything. They are charging Mr. A, B, C, D, E. Yes, to say, Mama committing offense F, G, H, Y, Z. Now, we are going to put them before the court. The evidence they want in their court. Full stop. You don't go to the extent of discussing the evidence. What did they make an assist?
Me too.
Because, Kwame, what's the of discussing the evidence now? You are watching the people up. Who will see who say so badly say. By the time I only do court, no, we are against that makes it difficult for any lawyer to defend them. Because when you come now about to defend you, obeying, so could defend the client in no court. So we are as about public opinion, as about the defendant, because of what that is why prosecutors are not supposed to do what he is doing. He's wrong.
Babe, me see no was I conclusive in his statement to say 1 way bonny way. I do me is this man pronouncing judgment? Anadia be minim se bia wo so hu ni sa.
That is exactly what he did. And I was not very comfortable. Because we had to say, what Daniel will want to be the judge. And that is not your job. Who was Juma? And they said you are going to present the evidence before the court. Now, so your evidence in another court. Not court, I draw a conclusive conclusion on the evidence at the other. Now, when you conclude court, now we don't want things. Now, and it's not the same, it's not only him. The attorney also does the same thing. Also describing comfort said, they've looted state funds, they've criminally managed this. You don't do that as a prosecutor. When I have what concludes the case? And that in some countries, you risk the case being thrown out.
Sir.
In some jurisdictions, for example, murder trial. What kind of sana? Jury na ya kwa selection. Maybe for community ni ya kwa select jury never.
Aye, community na.
Now, so what you can, akato say, well, kunipa, what you see, what you see. How are they going to be able to come and open and what is it, fairly decide the matter? Once you brainwash or you make a prejudicial statement, it means the person will not get a fair trial. I don't think that you should not do that.
Papa,
a general one, why?
dear asaya one say SML semi o wie nyina no wabobɔ nipa bidi ubo amudin a mante so se ya charge wo mu wo se November yi no wo be charge wo mu
Babe adewe ba ta wa se ba
say me ba to me bo baba et say Kwame Nkrumah wa wie ade na wafa ABC wo ye kromfo pa na montwen busumi e besimu no bedi ma akoma posifo
say entasu na me yana me bi ho am na nipa bi say na no to be who be good president ni do man dey edway more because how can you say nipa SML aboboko for baby DRA former boss committee and aboboko na di we are say it takes time you want me up to November
na wunye
no be an charge no
me opa cancel
obi an charge it means the extradition
Debbie
obi an charge no what is it costing and for free obi close over how from January papa my addition kakra obi an charge no it means seeking for extradition but all land as article view
me ba obi an charge no what means seeking for extradition no
on what basis why boni ben ase kwa me wo ya wo se bia ko lan aba obi an charge o he get them famra o famra na bra be de anuna atoni di no ka clear say I just simple affair yeah do about and to be building docket there they're charging with A B C D E F G avenues. This is the docket. Before you go to that country, as I say, this is what we have against him. And he has
but I saw a true memo be Eric Sren say they hear the whole docket to initiate those processes.
Yes. That's what I think not say. Some attorney general attorney general say or requesting that docket. Because this is the beginning. I tell them anything. OSP, no. I'm so watching the human as you. Anything. The 2 million Ukraine. You're pony free attorney general. And you're Monica. Now, who build the case against Obi? And you have to be referred. He shall be authorized.
But it's not always the case.
What is the they should tell us so that they can educate people like me.
What must say? The near man be or here powers of the age to initiate the process.
A bit is saying.
Sir, idea be of suspect say corruption. Say age in the back country. People like me need to be educated. A bit is saying, can you? Because maybe the law now, I've read the law. Hello? The matter council also.
Hey, it means what tell me, Mrakwa say he doesn't need that authorization from the age. Then I can understand. Then I'll revise my notes. What did I make?
Me too, pa.
Because maybe I'm wrong. Or tell me what the law says.
And now, sir, also called to me charging Crawford. In the case of La Bianca, no near the other, to me, catch say, my sir charge you this Kutia.
You know what I mean? What is the general? What baby?
Now, only 2 minutes or to me, sir charge you be.
Wait a minute, what's the original? Because I know a Juma. What is Juma? I'm saying, I need to be educated.
Me wa hopa council Now, in the case of Ken Furiata, so was Sankra said, what declares were a fugitive. Me pacho emremuno fugitive one wine.
Okay, a simple cry. Obia, you're charged with an offense. Me a catch said that's it. Court. Now, wama. No, we're gunning. And you describe what fugitive from justice. A simple cry. First, you must have been charged with an offense. Second, you must have failed or refused to come to court. Third, you must have fled. If someone charges you with any offense. 2, or failure is over court. 3, unanea. You cannot describe him as a fugitive. So what you have about him?
Me too, pa.
It is from what I have heard so far up to now. Was it to be charged in the end of November? So we are charging you. How can you describe him as a fugitive?
But what was it? What child your law school?
Kwame Adofo non function. Thinking. Kwame Adofo, I just get as if I want to throw out.
Baba, Papa,
all this behavior.
Papa lawyer, when you need say, or the cases back come you know a court or anya ye na or do baby cause a court to no one in prosecuting in crophobia one wire bonnet na and I was so my bonnet until my obato and quanuma one. It when you say a nuntina debian or information what the bachelor Ghana for said the chama want to be kind and said Ghana for months or you next what the bachelor and say any man who know it be the court to say one with Jawa Modia night to the Yam Yabi. I know at the same
a game, a mind game, no more play. A intricacy. The intricacy and no more play in a sense. When you say his neighbor was to say office useless no. Me include no. I don't know all this mind game.
Oh, sir.
You see that the part, you know. The man, look. You see that the part there was a clear case of incompetence. Because actually, who are who trying to make us over to you be sick? And I be over to you be sick. And I will be a deputy. Actually, so who is you here? 7 days for court. The court. The same action, so what must be you account? Say, who is you 14 days for court? This is the procedure act like a throw. So if you don't do that and you go to court and you lose, over as my uncle, and then I'm a judge in it. That's what the law says. So what I say, I don't know why I shouldn't more about it. Initially, the judge got the computation wrong. What I could do, and said, what I call a serious trouble. I feel about my uncle. And again, and
in the club for dear. Or you bet to me be a Kissi, the son or call.
Master, Mamu, you know.
Now, Kazi, one was SML issue. No president in Susu Gina saw obey a press conference and no, Susu Gina saw say we track contacting him.
Look, I know I will not be able to tell because in fact SML no crowd. I don't know much about the SML case.
Oh, okay.
All I know is for him to come and hold a press conference, one-sided press conference, as a prosecutor, is wrong. So maybe the president himself may have had another reason to want to terminate it. That one I don't know. But as a prosecutor, you shouldn't come and destroy somebody you are yet to charge. Yet to charge you. And you've destroyed him. So how do you expect such a person to get a fair trial? I want to know the whole issue.
Oh, okay.
And evidence on discussing one-sided email communication. The lawyers for the defendants themselves, they don't even have copies. And yet, what about this film? So how are they supposed to defend themselves?
Oh, but say ni pebi obubo womu din say ono ma womu ye saade no obo anasare mi ya anas wono ankasa no twetwum twop oh wo se wa hwe ade na aka wa
obi what has what I say obi obaka say oni attorney general and tell me a problem there there's no risk on him ono what say I and my father are one. You have some in me. Some of that ridiculous statement about that.
How is it ridiculous?
For you to say, you have the attorney general in you, but you are not in him. What is it? I don't know when you have all the press conferences. So, and when you have all the your press conference, well, for the what is it? Is that how you are taught in law school? So charge you will be put to be a bonnet according to good animals. Law school been a chair
Kazo, Mamma now I say, na means saying Pama, ne yen the baby actually, because ye can so nyai, and check a area about to Kovikinata, you mean. It is finished. Ninala so.
Oh my goodness. Ghana is a very funny country.
Oh, what didn't you?
Very funny country. No, we are on appointment since 2021. 4 years ago. What we found my Baba I give one conviction. What will our Baba have a press conference? Not because of Tenofurata Bonnet. As far as January, every October, up to November ending as what is this? Is this a mark of competence? And then what I propose that to be a defendant. How can you defend this? I don't mind.
But sir, a wheels of justice in a grind it slowly.
No. That is not when it's in your hand. There were courts there. Then you can say it grinds slowly. But when you say you have the evidence, charge him now. At the 10 months, no evidence not being charged. You can continue November. So there was a wheel of justice grind slowly. The wheel of justice start grinding when he goes to court. At the moment, it is slowly in his hands. The standing is all evidence. What do you who take a
I see. Council, Mamina was saying, pay. One count, so lawyer Kwame Adofo, a legal practitioner, and then I train come K101.7. So, any na Yamra, if you're not a young and come away.
OKFM 101.7.